Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. We have already tried other products from ShineXPro and today we have one more product from them. This is all-in-one polish and sealant from ShineXPro. Earlier we have tried their Bubble Wash Snow Foam Shampoo. And have tried their Microfiber Wash Mitt and 500 GSM Extra Large Microfiber Cloth. Do check out that videos as well linked in iCard. The all-in-one polish and sealant comes with an applicator sponge. Apply the product on the applicator sponge. And then slowly work with the product on the desired parts. Make sure the part you are working on is properly covered by the product. Similarly apply it to all the other parts of the motorcycle as well. The difference between the polished and the unpolished part can be easily differentiated. It temporarily restores the faded plastic parts of the motorcycle and brings them back to the life. Once we are done applying it to all the parts, then we can move ahead to the next step. And the final step is to wipe off the excess residue using a microfiber cloth. This product gives the best of both worlds, the durability and long-lasting protection of the sealant and the unmatched, deep, liquid glow of the polish. Buff off the excess polish to achieve for a long-lasting shine. And here are the final results we obtained.